Hello everyone, my name is Vidyasagar Margam. I am basically from Telangana, India. I have applied for aircraft cleaner. My personality is I am hardworking and confident, communicative and proactive. My work experience in Dubai, I have total 8 years experience in ex-employee as a transguard. I have started my work at 2012 as a loader. Then I worked for 2 years. Later I was promoted as accommodation coordinator. Then I worked for 4 years. After that I was promoted to senior accommodation coordinator at Abu Dhabi. That we got a new contract in Etihad. Then I was moved over there. And skills, I have good communication skills, attentive and customer service and critical thinking. I can work minimum pressure, or I can work under minimum pressure, supervision or no supervision. Thank you for watching my video. Resume, it will be consider my application. I am looking forward to hear from you. Thank you.